I would take like little by little and never take huge amounts like this.
If you can think that much money's gonna go missing and nobody's gonna notice.
On June 6, 2021, a distressed store owner called the police, reporting that an audit revealed over $25,000 had mysteriously disappeared. At first, she had no idea who was behind the theft, but soon the clues began pointing toward one of her employees.
There should be 12 $100 bills in there total between the two, and now there's only one $100. Sorry, I'm a nervous bride.
26 cents.
I never thought this would happen. I treat my
And you got your initials you said on the dollar bills?
The owner chose to devise her own counter-sting operation. She marked the bills with a distinctive letter before the officers arrived as a method to confirm that the money was indeed stolen from her cash register.
That's like we have the serial numbers. Plus, we have the serial numbers of the other $100 bills.
Okay.
Cool. So,
All right.
how do we do this? Do I just go in and...
You just, how does she look?
She's got a long tan khaki skirt. She's got a black over jacket. She's the shorter of the two. She looks kind of Latin typical.
Oh, a little bit. Yeah.
Oh, okay. Let me go check this. It's nice to
I have the register tape too that she pulled it for the timestamp too.
Okay, you got that on video? Or do you?
I just have me on video, but I heard on video doing it. But I have the time. She went over time.
Yeah, of course. What's your phone number?
Excuse me, ma'am.
917?
She's on the customer.
Okay. Okay, perfect. All right, I'll get some pictures out to you, okay? All right, perfect. We'll give you a text, okay? I'll try to get them out to you today.
Hello. Hey,
Hi.
how you doing?
Good, how are you?
Casper Police Department.
Yeah.
The reason why I'm here today is because we got a call in reference to something. I was wondering if we could talk to you for a second.
Yeah, of course.
Is there somewhere we can talk to her?
If you want to privately, you can just go in the back.
Yeah, you go ahead and show us.
It's like at the very back.
Yep.
Sorry. Meth back there.
All right. So first question is, can you guess why we're here?
I was accused of stealing money at a party. That was it.
Okay, come on. Got your car.
Yeah. All right, I'm just going to read this out to you, all right? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in court. You have the right to talk to a lawyer for advice before we ask you any questions, to have a lawyer with you during questioning. If you cannot afford a lawyer, one will be appointed to you before questioning if you wish. If you decide to answer questions now without a lawyer present, you will still have the right to stop questioning at any time until you talk to a lawyer. Do you understand the rights I just read you?
Sure.
Okay, so tell us about you.
I was really just looking for a tampon. All I was doing was shopping for a tampon. I thought I started my period, and I had moved this girl's bag. I only paid her back because I didn't want anything to happen. I didn't want it to be put on me because I'm not that kind of person. And the way she was talking to me, like, it felt like it was going to be...
Who was the she? Was it your manager or?
No, it was a girl at the party that I guess she had messaged me, and she said, like, I saw you the one doing that.
Okay. What's this young lady's name?
I didn't get to know her. I have it on my phone. I can show it to you.
Okay.
I think it started with an A, but she said, like, either way, I'm gonna like put legal.
Okay. And where was this party?
It was at like a New Wave Event Center in Lake Mary.
Lake Mary. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Well, we appreciate it, but that's not necessarily why we're here today. We're here because you're being accused of theft. However, the theft is not in regards to that party. It's in regards to something that's happening here today.
Okay.
So, you have a manager who advised us that, well, not manager, you have one of your other coworkers who's advised us that they left a certain amount of dollars, very identifying marks on that. And you were the only person who stole.
Okay.
So,
She also has the receipts of the opening of when the drawer was opened, what exact time.
Okay.
Where we're at right now is I can't promise you anything, but for me, and I'm sure Officer Ferrer the same thing, honesty is the best policy. Okay, so could you tell us anything about that?
I did do it. I'm having some issues with money right now.
Okay.
I just like bought off a new car, so I haven't been working lately. I will admit to that. So
Was it just today, or has it been in the past?
it was today, and then I've done it in the past before, but never like large amounts.
How much would you say?
Probably like
So we're going to the back.
300 maybe was the most beforehand. It's in my bag.
Okay, can I go through that bag?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
It's gonna be in that pocket.
If I'm wasting your time, I don't want to waste it. You guys have better things to do than this stuff. That makes sense?
No, that's stuff. No matter where it's from, man.
Oh, well, your time is valuable. It's just sad.
All right. Do you mind coming over here for me?
Sure.
Just to identify.
That's not my purse. Can I take a picture, or do you care?
I already have all the pictures. This is going on in the report. Can you identify these bills?
Give me 1 second. You see any J's so far? And I have serial numbers. Of the others. I gotta get the serial numbers.
Well, the J's I know are winners.
There's one J. There's my J's.
There's another J here. This is the only J, but I'll get you the serial number.
That's a J.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Caitlin, I need the serial numbers.
No.
So I'm going to tell her to see what she needs to do. Okay. At this moment, I said, you know, she's alleging. It's a little bit what I have. Okay. Like I said, for me, honesty is the best policy. Only thing I can do, have you ever been arrested?
No, sir.
So, with situations that have happened, or especially with things like that, you know, I can't promise you that you don't have a record. So there's no pattern there. Now, the situation out of Lake Mary, you know, that has nothing to do with it.
Yeah.
We're only here for this to happen today, and the stuff is happening over time. Okay? So, like I said, you know, it's not for us to sit up there and be like, hey, you know, you did this to commit harm about it. What's wrong? You have to be accountable for it, right? But it's not a situation where, like I said, it's not foreseeable that you could have a future. Okay? So I'm gonna go talk with her, and then I'll be.
The suspect's frequent displays of luxury items raised serious suspicion. To verify the theft, the owner marked the bills with unique identifiers. When police arrived, the evidence matched the suspect's possession and confession. Faced with undeniable proof, she admitted to stealing and revealed it wasn't her first time.
Because I don't want you to go back in there, and I'll be back. And I have to tell you, at this moment, you're being placed in investigative detention. I'm not gonna put you in cuffs or nothing like that right now. We'll get to that later, okay? But just go ahead.
Live supporting documentation.
May she can she have a seat for a minute?
Of course.
Can she have a seat?
I have to go to the board, so just bear with me.
You have your customers. We'll do our best to get it quiet, okay? Does this belong to you?
The $5
Yes.
that was given to me from her.
I owed her money for coffee, the 5 singles.
Yes. Hey, listen, I'm grab some before. Yes. How many need to do? You want to press charges?
Yes, I do.
And
Because
is
I added it up. It's several $1,000s that's been going on. You're breaking my freaking heart. I have the documentation in my car. I wasn't prepared to turn it over because I was trying to rule it out. But I'll show you what I was preparing for my insurance company.
Okay, let's see that.
It's well over what she has here. I was hoping she would show it all, what you took this morning, and you didn't. So, no,
Hey,
I'm
well, let's not
sorry.
make it not contentious. Well, I wouldn't. And where was the other bit?
I told him it was in that back pocket of my bag. Like
Which
that.
one?
The one with the zipper.
Right here?
Yeah.
Is that the rest of it from today, or
Yes, sir.
she put the J in the photograph? Is this all from this business?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm gonna put your keys back in your purse so you don't mind.
Yes, that's fine. Thank you.
What do you think that much money's gonna go missing and nobody's gonna notice? I mean, it ain't $20.
I'm gonna go count my drawer. I
Okay.
can tell you what I had. Like,
Okay.
the food.
All right.
Alrighty, what's your name?
Rihanna.
Alright, you're looking for stand up.
5, 10,000.
Right now, you're gonna be placed under arrest for theft. Okay, do me a favor, lift your hands up. Do anything. I'm not gonna search you or anything. I'll let them do that. Okay, okay.
1360. Does that sound right?
307.1 250.
Does that sound right, ma'am? 1360.
I didn't know.
Okay.
So it was only the one time before this. She took maybe like 300.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I was making good money before and I was working a lot more.
So what? She cut your hours or something? Is there a reason why she did that?
To me, I feel like it's because I wasn't doing anything right. So it kind of sucked. But so am I going to jail?
Because of the amount. When she first called us, she gave us a number, and you would have gotten a notice to appear because you could have gotten. That's
Sorry.
that's our supervisor, man. You would have gotten a notice to appear.
Sorry, memory stuff for me. I called them
Let me see that on the paper.
You can just look at all of it. You can have it.
And that 22,000 doesn't calculate.
No, because I didn't know she was gonna. I actually came in because I was planning on just interviewing her.
Right.
She was not originally who I thought it was going to be. I was very shocked. I got it down to just I rolled out everybody but her and another girl, and I actually just thought it was the other girl. To be honest, I'm not going to lie to you. But now looking at all this evidence and the time clocks when she was here, it all lines up. Makes sense.
Do you recollect any of those things? Okay.
How much do you think you've taken over the years?
It's just this year, by the way.
Just this
It's
year.
just this year.
How many?
I didn't keep track.
I mean, you got to have a ballpark in excess of $1,000.
How much was your purse? How much was your car?
Sure, then you guys can tell me what.
How much do you think? I want to hear what you think.
That was the most I've ever taken.
At a time, or
If you've missed $22,000,
what's the?
I don't think that's good.
so if you don't think you took that much, you got to have a ballpark of how much you do think. You
I
took.
have documentation here to show I know.
Go ahead and head north. For her to pick this up, send you a picture of it when she's done. That way, it gives her time to.
26. All right, okay.
What side am I going on?
Try to keep you away from, the general public. So, go back to registration. Like I said, I talked to her.
In the end, the court sentenced the suspect to 1 year of probation and ordered her to repay $20,000. It is hoped that she has learned her lesson, because if not, the consequences in the future could be far more severe.